Wow! Hi guys, nasa bus na kami. I'm with...
Sino ako?
Sino siya guys?
I'm back.
Yeah, she's back. We had a vlog together. Yeah, and yung... Yeah, it's my term break. We're heading to La Union. And then we're gonna go Baguio and explore. Mommy is right there. So yun, so update later.
A few inches later.
Hi, Julie. Hi. How many steps are we gonna do tonight? 10K.
I'm your videographer.
Isaw. Isaw daw.
Now we're gonna wait for the food. Barbecue.
No. I finished it now. So mahangin.
Yeah, fresh air.
She needed this. She was asleep the whole afternoon.
What are we gonna do tomorrow?
We're going to Baguio. What's up?
We're gonna eat breakfast.
Okay, real. It's cold.
Ang ganda ng ambience. I like the lights. So we're gonna pick breakfast.
Eat pork naman eh. Oh my god, I'm shaking. You'll get down chocolate.
Hi, Choco.
We're gonna share.
And there.
Oh, it's not mabaho. I
One.
brushed my teeth.
Chicken.
Ano ba?
Wow. Ayan na yung food.
Okay, real.
And food ni Tito. Ayan na yung food namin.
Wow.
What's your food?
Beef tapa. Same with tita.
Mine is chicken. Ano yun?
Tocino eh.
Tocino, yeah. Chicken tocino.
Taste test.
Oh my gosh, ang pure ng hot choco nila. Yay! Yan, si videographer mo picture din. Yay! Ayan! I love Baguio. Hala, ang cute. Cute to.
Buy some.
More.
TJ.
No. Maybe later. Mafifulus. Mafifulus.
Are you gonna buy me if I magpabili?
No.
Why not?
No, no, fulus.
Keychains, 10 pieces for 100. Then you take, this. Look guys, it's me. Zoom, zoom. Oh, the rocks are cold. That's me guys.
Ikat.
Okay.
Wow! Ayan guys, ang laki ng strawberry.
The big strawberry in the Philippines.
Yeah!
Original vlogger.
Eh, masarap yung ice cream nila, Tito. I don't know if we're gonna pick strawberries, guys. We're gonna go. Look. Ayan siya, oh.
There's
Ang dami.
other plants too, guys. Wow, it's a big one, chat. It's a big one. Perfect.
This one.
Guys, wow. Dog, it's so big.
Layo niya na. So, pakita mo nga yung 1 kilo worth of natin.
Pababa!
Taran!
test, taste test. Mmm. That's actually sweet.
Tanghulo. We're gonna tanghulo, guys.
Natin, tangulo.
Ayan, magkano tanghulo. We're gonna order tanghulo. Wow!
It's been a while since I ate tanghulu.
Kaya nga, I forgot na matigas talaga siya.
It's in the gum.
Ubusin muna namin yung tanghulo and then mag-ice cream kami. The struggles of eating tanghulo, guys, it sticks sa gums mo or like sa teeth mo. And it's so hard to remove.
No, because
Parang-
the sugar is so...
Yeah. Oo, makapal din yung sugar. Kuya, dagdagan nyo. Thank you, kuya.
We came back, kuya.
Dinagdagan ni kuya. When the sun is here, it's so hot. Pero yung hangin malamig. Yay. Sa shade muna kami, guys. Sa init.
Cold na.
We're in Burnham Park. Ang daming tao. And we're gonna chill here lang. Magbabike sana kami pero ang dami ng tao so we can't anymore. We're in Good Taste. Tapos ang cute kasi may robot. You see that? Yan behind me. Yan. Robot yan. Tas siya yung magde-deliver ng food. Madami lang tao, no? Which is nice, which is a good thing. Tapos malaki din yung area nila. The servings, like it's so big. Ang dami. Dami yung servings nila, which is a good thing. So, taste test na lang for later. The food is here na. Yan. Medyo matagal. Pero their servings naman is good. Ayan. Nom-noms. Okay, kakain na kami. Bye-bye!